check it out. We have NexJen's oil separator. So now let's go ahead and take a look at the included components. We have Beckett's submersible pump. We have a float assembly that catches oil. That leads to the input of the see-through separator. Flows through here. We have 2 drains. The included hose is too short for how high I have it mounted. So I'm gonna get some new hoses and then have a little bucket back there that will need just emptied more frequently if material oil does exist. And then this large hose is for the return filtered coolant. The hose had a crimp, so I cut it right there. Wanted it a little bit longer, but this will do. And then we'll have that nice circulation and get caught up through or picked up through this float. I made this custom 200 mesh stainless steel screen held in place with this 1-inch aluminum flat bar and neo magnets. In addition to that, to catch the larger chips, I have this 5-gallon paint strainer held in place by the recess on a TL1 lathe with these Cerakote hooks. The coolant system is not quite finished off yet, as we'd like to have this Graco Fireball 300 pump to be controlled with some M codes for a chamber flush system. And so this is the 3.5-inch bore outboard side of that chamber flush system with a rotary union, 5C collet chuck, and the 3.5-inch spindle bore adapter. So yeah, this thing is massive. We're definitely looking forward to getting that chamber flush system set up soon. Stay tuned.